All right, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually save your Microsoft Excel file. So the way to save it, there's a few different ways you can do this. You can head over to the File. You can come over here to Save or Save As. You can come up here in the top left to the little floppy disk, which is Save, or you can do Control S on your keyboard. You'll also notice as you hover over these different options in your Quick Access toolbar or on the ribbon, some of these actually have a keyboard shortcut, so Save is Control S, or you can go ahead and turn on the autosave option. So if the autosave is on, anytime you make a change to your document, it'll automatically save it. I like to leave it off by default, just in case I made a whole bunch of changes to it. I'm like, oh, all right, I'm glad I didn't save it because I didn't need to make any of those changes. So rather than having to go undo all of those changes, I could just close my document and reopen it. It'll be right back where it was before. The downside to that is if your computer just randomly shuts off and it's not saved, you're going to lose all your progress. So you just have to kind of weigh the pros and the cons of having autosave on. But those are some of the different ways that you can save your Microsoft Excel file.